Hello, my name is Nia R. Hagodilla, BS Ed Science major, student here at the MMC, or Metro Manila College. Welcome to my Edu Show documentary entitled Learning Within the Campus Walls. This project reminds us that learning doesn't only happen when we go off campus. Sometimes the most meaningful lessons are found in the places we see every day. Our classrooms, our laboratories, our library, and even the quiet moments we spend reflecting. Even within the campus, learning continues through discovery, reflection, and experience. As a science major, the laboratory is one of the places where I learn the most. Here, I learn becomes a real hands-on observable and experimental, from understanding chemical reactions to exploring biological samples. The laboratory reminds that science is not just a subject, it is a purpose, a way of thinking, a method of discovering the truth. If there's one thing the lab teach me, it's that curiosity is powerful. Every experiment starts with the questions and ends with a deeper understanding. The library has always been my second home on campus. Whenever I study here, I've surrounded myself by knowledge, books, journals, digital resources, and quiet spaces for focused learning. In this place, I learned that discipline and consistency matter. Research is not just about finding the answers. It is about the learning how to seek information critically and responsibly. Every time I open a book or review my notes here, I reminded that growth doesn't happen instantly. It happens little by little, page by page. Staying on campus taught me more than I expected. Without going off campus, I discovered the value of independence and self-discipline. Managing my time, working on tasks, and balancing responsibility taught me to be a responsible not just a student, but as a future teacher. I learned that growth is not always loud, sometimes it happens quietly. During late study session in the library, simple conversation with a classmate, and small achievements inside the classroom. These experiences helped me strengthen values like perseverance, humility, and respect. I learned that the school environment can shape us, not just academically, but also as individuals. As I reflect on the journey with the campus walls, I realized that learning is a blessing, and that every day in Metro Manila College adds something on who I am become. I gained discipline from the library, curiosity from the laboratory, and gratitude from the moments spent with the friends in the field. Nelson Mandela said, "Education is the most powerful weapon which is you can use to change the world." These words reminds me that learning is continuous. It doesn't end at the school gates. It grows with us wherever we go. Looking back, I discovered that the true learning isn't how far we travel, but how deeply we reflect. Metro Manila College taught me that meaningful education is everywhere, in our classrooms, our friendships, our responsibilities, and our everyday choices. True learning doesn't depend on where we are. It begins with a curiosity, mind, and willing heart. That's all. Thank you so much, everyone.